welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylee. Today I'm doing my second vlog. We're going to the air show, and my boyfriend's also going to get a haircut today, so that should be fun. But we gotta get that little man ready. Don't worry, we are going to air show, and it's going to be like a loud air show, and I think we're going to the museum to Nova. But I already talked to his doctor about ears and what we should do if we take him to the air show and things like that, and they said everything should be fine. That is like so bad, my face is breaking out. Anyways, so that should be a-okay. But yeah. Look at us.
Yeah, my mop head. Yeah. I'm over here looking like Shaggy.
Alright guys, so while he is getting his haircut, I have decided that I really want a smoothie, so I'm running to McDonald's to go get a strawberry banana smoothie because their smoothies are amazing. So that's what we're doing now. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Well, I'm here at McDonald's and it's kind of a little bit packed, but I'm next in line. Once this people decide to move up, go ahead and roll down the window. Yeah. So I figured while I'm sitting in line, I would go ahead and tell you guys a little backup history on me. So going to the air show today, I'm actually really excited because we're going to see the Blue Angels. If you guys don't know what the Blue Angels are, I think they're F-18s, jets, and they fly for the Navy, and their hometown is actually Pensacola, which we pretty much live in Pensacola, so their hometown is here. And I've always loved them since I was a little girl. When we first moved to Florida, I was like 4 years old, and I watched the Blue Angels almost every year. They have a beach show, and then this show is not their beach show, it's their homecoming show, so it's at the base. So that's why I also plan to try and go to the Air Museum, Naval Air Museum. So I've always had a passion, and I honestly wanted to join the Navy / Air Force. And when I was in high school, I was in ROTC, and I loved it. But things took a turn, and we got, you know, a little baby back there, and then another little baby on the way. So I don't think I'm going to end up joining any of the forces, but it's always been a passion of mine, and I wanted to join the forces. But so yeah, that's why we are really going today, because I really wanted to go and see them because this is their homecoming. They're back for the holidays, so we're going to watch their homecoming. Well, I got my strawberry banana smoothie, guys, so you know. Oh my goodness, like McDonald's has the best smoothies, like I'm not even kidding. So yeah, now we go and pick up Blake from his haircut. With him and not letting him in. So this is the after product, huh? Is that the same one you got last time?
Nah, she cut it a little bit shorter.
Did you ask for it to be a little bit shorter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How do you like your seat?
I feel naked.
Good. Well, you actually have a 4-head now. Maybe you're like a 7-head now, because we can, you know, see it. And
yeah, I got hair all over myself, but it's whatever. Now they can't complain that I haven't gotten a haircut now. So.
sunscreen.
In bag?
This is where. On the fancy bus. Look at them guts roll everywhere. Yep. Soda? Eating now, and Blake got a burger. Can you see the burger? And I got chicken tenders and fries. And we wait. What time is it?
156.
1:56. So that means they're playing in 4 minutes. So we have 4 minutes to eat.
Yep.
Yep. both have spicy Italians at Subway, but I figured I would go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye!